If you're wondering what else I can do with the car, I still have a little bit of stuff to do. If you didn't watch my last video, we put the ZR1 spoiler on the vat. We also ceramic coated, and so far it's looking pretty decent, I would say. You know, comparing when I got the car, how it was looking like. Now we have the seats, we have everything else, but I also have something else to do, which is finally we're gonna paint the brake calipers. This has been, I have been pushing these for a while. I hope to get done today. I'm gonna use the same thing I used on my truck, and if you guys look close, look, my truck, I did white though. It's kind of dirty today, but it's still the paint in pristine conditions. Just like the truck with, you know, the entire truck needs a wash. And since I really like the results on this. Look at that. It's white though. Just keep that in mind. It is white. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the same technique with the vat. If you guys remember, the truck was a little bit harder because my jack wasn't enough. Those wheels are so heavy. The vat, the plan is, I'm gonna put the car in jack stands, remove the 4 wheels at once, and prep everything. As you guys know, the secret, it's prepping. Removing the 4 wheels at the same time is so much easier than the way I did on the truck. There's one trick on this one though, which is the Corvette letters. I think I have a plan for it. A lot of people said keep that. It's kind of a silver. I don't know if you guys can see it. See, it's like silver-ish. But with everything I have, I think black letters is going to do a better job. So let's prep. Prep work, it's always the most important, right? The good thing about watching YouTube videos, everything seems to be so easy, but it's not. So I got everything prepped. So I tape, I cover as much as I think it's necessary. Again, there's no right or wrong here, guys. You can do whatever. You can remove the brackets, the calipers. I just don't want to, like, you know, bleed the brakes and all the stuff. I want to drive tomorrow. So I did basically the same thing for 4 sides. And now we're gonna start painting. And what I got, you guys know, the brake calipers paint system, which it's very straightforward. Of course, I got red. You have many different options for colors. Let me see if I can open here with one hand. I could not open with one hand, I'm sorry. But here we go. So that comes with the degrees, which we're gonna use to clean. You need to mix that on the actual paint. And we also got this little envelope, which normally comes with a paintbrush and some, so you can mix it. And of course the instructions, which if you are watching this video, you can skip that. I'm gonna use a different brush because this one, come on, look at the size of this. You can still do it. You are supposed to use the entire thing, should be enough for all the 4. I'm planning to do like 4 coats, and I hope that's enough. So what I'm gonna do, my brakes, the front one is pretty clean, but I'll just go over with it. We're gonna start painting. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with the Corvette letters. Alright, I figured this way was a better way to paint both, But again, there's no right or wrong here, guys. Do whatever it's easier for you. If you can remove everything, you're good to go. Okay, after one coat is not completely covered, that's normal. You should use everything that you know comes in the can, but as you guys can see, it starts covering, and this thing dries so fast. And sorry my voice because I'm wearing a mask. Here's the brake, the back calipers. So just so you guys can see, there you go, and that's the other front. This one I just finished. So it looks more fresh. So the good thing is once you do it around, I did like this one, and then I went there, and then I went there. So by the time we come back, it's time for the second coat. The instructions say between 15-20 minutes between coats, so we should be good. And that thing dries so fast, so you gotta rush. Sorry, my hands are like, you know, I have been working on the car. What do you want? But anyway, what I'm gonna do about the Corvette is I was thinking about painting black, but I kind of changed my mind. I'll keep the way it is. So I'm gonna use a blade or this one, whatever helped me to just, you know, take the surface. The paint is on the surface. It's not super dry, so I think it's the right time to do it. So wish me luck. It's not bad at all. I mean, I could have masked it, but you know, when you mask, I don't know. I could have done that. But what do you think? Huh? I love it. So yeah, I'm not, I think if I put it black, I don't know. I'll keep it like that. And if I want to paint in black, it's just the letters. The calipers are ready to go. Alright, let's assemble everything and see how that looks. Let's go! Love it. Let's put this wheel back on. Dude, I love it. That looks good. I hope the camera will show exactly what I'm seeing here, but damn, that looks good. The last touch. I know. Don't give me a hard time. Damn, that looks good. Look at that, that looks good though. Of course we are in off-road mode, but that looks good. So let's bring the car down and we'll see. Finished product. It's still in off-road mode because I didn't move the car, but look at that. What do you guys think? Huh? Look at that, dude. Oh my God. So happy with it. Finally. So now I finally can start driving the car. that's the main thing. Now it's time to drive. Well, definitely not an easy job. I start probably like 2 o'clock and now it's like 7:30, 8 o'clock. Of course, you gotta let dry, putting the car on jack stands, all that kind of stuff. Look at my hand, look at my hand. So, but that's what we like, right? The paint itself, really nice. I think I'm gonna keep like silver-ish. I'm not going with the black, just for now. I like it though, because when we change the wheels, we're gonna see, alright? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. As always, thanks so much for watching. There's a link in the description below for Hard Work Force. New price, check it out. You're not gonna miss a lot of good stuff there. Make sure to check and grab your merch so you can help the channel, right? As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next upload. As always, never forget, enjoy your life.